Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Okta, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in cybersecurity with Okta, start by understanding what Okta does. Okta is a leading identity and access management company. Research the industry to grasp trends in cybersecurity and identity management. Next, create an account on a stock trading platform if you don't have one. Choose a platform that offers access to Okta stocks. Verify your identity and link your bank account to the trading platform. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you wish to invest. Now, search for Okta by entering its ticker symbol, OKTA. Analyze Okta's stock performance by reviewing historical data and market trends. Read recent news and financial reports about Okta to stay informed. Before purchasing, consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risk. Decide how many shares of Okta you want to buy based on your budget. Enter the number of shares in the trading platform's purchase window. Review the order details to ensure everything looks correct. Confirm the purchase to execute the trade. After buying the shares, monitor Okta's performance regularly. Stay updated on cybersecurity industry developments that may affect your investment. Consider setting price alerts for Okta shares to stay informed about significant changes. Periodically reassess your investment strategy based on market conditions. Remember to keep your long-term goals in mind as you invest in cybersecurity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.